Hello guys, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure, where you guys can learn and having fun together with drawing. Alright, in today's video, we're going to draw cabbage. Alright, let's jump to the paper together. Okay guys, at the beginning, I need you to prepare your stuff and let's go together with me. So, at the beginning, I need you to make this curve line like this, guys. So I will start with this curve line. So from here like this, so from here like this. All right, you get this line already, then you can continue to make the another line. So from here continue like this, right? Looks great. Then after that, from here go to like this. So telling you like this, right? So from here it's like this. All right, after you have this line, then you can make another line from here like this. So from here like this, then you continue to make like this, connect to this, right? Then after that, it's the same thing from here, right? From here like this, then you connect to this part. So you'll make something like this. All right guys, then you have this kind of shape already. Then after that, at the back here, you need to make another leaves. So I will suggest you to make this kind of shape. So basically you need to make like a curved line like this from here. So slowly, like 1 2 3 4 like this. All right guys, after you have this, then it's almost like done. Then what you need to do is you make an expression to this cabbage. So let's start together. I will give like circle here for eyes, 1, and then the second one, 2. All right guys, then after that, just give a small circle inside this circle. So from here like this, right? Then another one like this. Looks great guys. Hope you guys enjoy, hope you guys learned something today, and let's continue together. All right, you just give the black color over here like this, right? All right guys, don't be afraid, you just draw, you just enjoy your stuff. That's the very important thing. The result, no matter what the result, but the enjoy process is the important thing. All right, so next one is the mud. So I will give a mud like smiley mud. So from here to be like this guys, so from here to be like this. All right, that's so enough. Then after that, I will give the fun part, which is this red color. Then I will give the red color around here. So guys, you can see, right? Then the another one is here. All right, looks great. Okay guys, this is the shape of the cabbage. I will start the coloring, then speed up the video. You guys can follow, and then let's go. Alright guys, this is the final result of cabbage. Hope you guys learned something today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.